See that car there? That is the JR inspection car. God, I missed a great chance to get a shot of it. They roll slowly along the tracks. See, they've got a light on the left, and they are inspecting the tracks, particularly the Shinkansen tracks, as they go. There's usually two guys in it, driving slowly. I see them frequently. They must always have somebody driving the tracks. Amazing. There it is. There's the JR car, moving slowly along. Under the tracks. I bet there it is again. There's the JR car. Resuming their patrol. I love it. Carry on, gentlemen. Oh, there goes the bullet train. Man, I just love it.